Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of locked account on Netflix. You click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about locked account and you'll enter. You will search about Netflix app and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you can enter to first stop. After that you'll enter to storage. And here you can click on clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you are watching.